What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing? It's time to do the giveaway, so got a few things to say before we do that. Everyone that participated in that, thank you. The ones that didn't want to be into it, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and effort that you took to watch the video. Thanks again for your support. So basically, you guys see my channel has slowed way down. I just went through a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, kind of, you guys don't see me and the dude that used to hang around me a lot. We don't do that no more. So I kind of made changes in my life. I got rid of all the negativity away from me. That way I can go at this hobby, just do the hobby. No more drama, no more worrying about what other people are doing or whatever, you know. Anyway, the drama's gone. So anyway, we're here. We're going to continue flying. I got to give a shout out to Roger Florence. You guys know him, Technique FPV. Dude, he reached out to me. Me and Roger kind of hooked up a while back on Facebook, and then we had two clowns in the middle of us that kind of was making things hard to, you know, see eye to eye. So anyway, Roger reached out to me. We talked yesterday for like 2 hours. It made me realize that there's quite a few people out there that kind of still, you know, enjoy what I do, and that's why I can't stop. So the drone network, as you notice, we haven't been doing any of them. We're going to start them back up at the first of the year. I think Doc's still on board. If not, then I'm going to have to move on with that and just continue the show, figure out what we're going to do. We'll structure it somehow, have something going on, something like that, because I don't really have a lot of time anymore, so my time's got to be valuable, you know what I mean? So we'll figure something out. But anyway, we have down here on the board, we have everybody that's kind of participated. In the blank spots, I put "you pay me" and I win. It's a joke, you don't have to pay me. So, who is going to be the winner of the giveaway box? You guys don't know what the giveaway box is? Let me show you. Sorry if my room is a wreck. I had to do a lot of work to get this clean here. And the wheel took forever to come in, so that's why we're here this late. We got the ANA 5-inch. It's really called the ALA, but I call it the ANA due to the company. We have a bunch of prints in here for it. We have some GoPro stuff, more GoPro stuff, tripod, props, 3-inch, 5-inch, all kind of inches in there. So that's what the box consists of. And then we're going to throw some stickers in there as well. MD95 TSI and the drone network. So who is going to win the box? Miss 3D won the box. There you have it. I believe that was a fair shake. I spun it and there it is. The wheel is not the greatest. But anyway, Miss 3D, you won the box, buddy. This wheel kind of sucks. This is not a redo. This is just to show you the wheel. It kind of doesn't have a bearing in there, so it doesn't do the... As Chris Miller says, I'm really good at that sound. But anyway, guys, Miss 3D, you won the box. I'll get with you. Get your address. I know he's in PA somewhere, but I kind of forget everybody's addresses. So anyway, if you guys don't know, Miss 3D is a guy that he does build drones and does do everything else. I know I've done that for people, but I still do it. I'll do it for some, but most of anyone that comes to me, I would just send them to Brian, because let's face it, I just got time to do my own stuff anymore. So this frame here is from Chris Riley. Never got a chance to build it. This guy right here, stay tuned, because this is some shit that Ken threw together, but I'm gonna give it away, do something with it. We'll figure something out with it. But we're gonna have that. We're gonna have some things going on. Let me give a shout out to Gank Multi-Rotors for this guy here. This is the, I'm gonna mess this up, Skya. Gank's like this fucking guy. So anyway, I talked with Matt out in IO last year. I just got to the point where, like I said, I'm back to work, so I can get my motors. I've had my stack, I've had my frame, I've had everything else. All we need now is the air unit, which this is an empty box, but I'll buy one of them, and we'll throw that in there. Probably might do the 03 thing, DJI, who knows. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your participation on my channel. I'm lost for words right now. I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep doing what I do, and I'm going to stay in the FPV because I love doing it. There's some people around me that just ain't around me no more. So we're going to go ahead and let them people go. Let them people do them, and I'm going to do me. So until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!